Our second mission is to remove their friends and allies. At magagawa mo lamang ito kung makakapasok ka sa mundong ginagalawan nila. Kakailanganin mong baguhin ang iyong sarili. Dahil hindi na ikaw ang dating Bea na madaling takutin at tapak-tapakan. Okay, with wine, you hold it here. Yes. And then, cheers to your good health. May ganang dialogue. And then you take a very gentle sip. And then you go like that. Pero magagawa mo lamang ang lahat ng misyong ito kung matututunan mong protektahan ang iyong sarili. Lahat ng paraan para lumaban, kailangan mong matutunan. Dahil darating at darating ang pagkakataon na ikaw ang magiging target nila. At wala kang ibang aasahan, kundi ang sarili mo.
Type of death, 349K.
Our third mission, to tarnish the names and reputation of the imperial family. Dutungisan natin ang pagkatao nila. Dahil ito ang lubos nilang pinangangalagaan. Kaya kailangan pag-aralan mong mabuti ang kanilang pagkatao. Alamin ang kanilang mga kahinaan at kinatatakutan. Charito Imperial uses her daily horoscope to guide her. Mrs. Janet Lee blames Daniela Imperial for the demise of her marriage to Oscar Lee, saying that the affair has been going on long before she found out about it. Wala siyang asawa. Balo siya. Eto naman, meron siyang lover. Look how cunning she is. She's so manipulative.